G'day guys, the following clip is about the box and whisker graph, how to find the significant numbers you need and how to draw it. Enjoy! The box and whisker graph, how to find the values and then how to draw the graph. The way we find the values, there's 5 different values that we need to find to be able to draw a box and whisker graph. The 3 that's highlighted are the easy ones to find, which is the lowest value, the highest value, and the median, also known as the middle number. The 2 in between, the lower quartile, is the number that falls right in the middle of my lowest value and my median. And the upper quartile is the value that falls right in the middle of my median, which is my middle number, as well as my highest number. The example we're going to use today is the following data set. So you will get a set of data, a set of numbers. It would not necessarily be in order from lowest to highest. If it is not in order, you need to rearrange it from lowest to highest before we start finding the values. So first of all, the 3 that are really easy to find, the lowest, the median, and the highest. When looking at the data set, the lowest is on the left, the highest is on the right, and the number that's right in the middle is 7. So we're going to write those numbers down. The lowest is 3, the median is 7, and the highest is 10. Now we get to the little bit more difficult stuff to find the lower quartile and the upper quartile. Since we have 2 numbers over here, the lower quartile is right in the middle of the 2 numbers. So if I move 1 down from 7 and 1 up from 5, then we see there's no number in the middle. So we need to find a value that falls right in between 5 and 6. And that value is 5.5. Then we do the upper quartile, the same thing as we did with the lower quartile. Move 1 in from 10 and 1 in from 7. We need to find a value that's right in the middle of 8 and 9. And that is 8.5. And now that we've identified the 5 significant figures that I need to be able to draw my box and whisker graph, I need to have a number line labeled from, not necessarily from 1, but that includes all of these numbers. I labeled it from 1 because it's easier to understand then. Right, now I'm going to make some dots where these values fall. I'm going to do it above my number line. So my lowest value is at 3. So I'm going to make a dot just above 3. My lower quartile is at 5.5, so that's between 5 and 6. I'm going to make a dot over there. Median is 7. Upper quartile is 8.5. And my highest value is 10. Now I need to draw my box and whisker graph. To be able to draw box and whisker graph, it is exactly what the word says. It has a box and 2 whiskers. This is how my final box and whisker graph should look. I draw a whisker from the lowest to the lower quartile. I also draw a whisker from the upper quartile to the highest. And all 3 dots in the middle, I just connect with a box and a line through the middle. When we look at this, all these dots indicate the 5 significant figures that we need to have in this box and whisker graph. So this is the lowest, this is the lower quartile, this is the median, the upper quartile, and the highest. And that is how you find the values and draw a box and whisker graph. I hope this clip was beneficial. If it was, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone it might possibly benefit. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you next time. Bye.